Guys, I need help with my Zen. It doesn't want to work because this pops out keep on happening. So I'm gonna show you. So my Zen. It doesn't want to work because this pops out keep on coming out.
Uno tocco poi la serie per tirare,
And then it keeps on freezing and this stuff don't want to come out usually. And then you can't see. It's still exposing. Do it right now. If I press that button, this button right here, this button, it's gonna start like sending these seek to set bookmark, and it's gonna take off and come up again. So if they wanna send me a message how to take it off, that'll be alright. Well, see the one way. Gotta reset this. And you don't have to take it out because there's a little mark hole right there. There's a little mark hole next to power. You're gonna see a little hole. Just grab this, a toothpick, just stab it in here. And then it turns off. It's off. It's off right now. Then we'll now open it up. So it says creative. You're gonna see Zen Reflex, right? So it works. See, and it says rebuilding. So my name is Dead Space 2341. On MySpace, I'm only like 9 years old. I mean 10. Oh, I'm 12. And I'm 11. I'm actually 11. You can say stuck like this. It says rebuild, and there you go. Right there. I got the Vader picture. Alright guys, and show me how to put the webcam on so good that it can see the stuff of these systems. Now it doesn't want to work. I don't want to get out. Alright, and show me how to fix it, like open it and fix the thingy, if you know. Well, see you.